Hi friends, this video shows how to locate misplaced remote by playing a sound. Let me play the sound. See, this way we can easily find misplaced remote. So I will show you how we can configure this. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go down, set remotes and accessories. Go down, set find my remote. So first we have to enable this option, find my remote. Okay, done. After that, we just need to press this button on the back side of the device. Just to press and release this button. See, now it's playing sound here in this remote. So that way we can easily locate this remote. Let me stop it. We can press any button on the remote, that way we can stop that sound. Let me play that again. Just press this button. See, done. So this way we can locate misplaced remote by playing a sound. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.